These are two bearing balls. Now, they are not magnets, you see. Now, if I put, there is a electrical channel which is used in the houses for electrical connections to the fan and light. Now I leave this one of the ball, it rolls down. I leave another one, it also rolls down. When I put the bigger one in front of that, then something else is happening. The bigger one is going faster than the smaller. I am placing it, both of them together. Now you see, bigger one is going faster. So, if I just reverse it, that means the smaller one and bigger one at the back, what will happen? Will they be separated? See, they will never be separated. Now see, I have two ring magnets. All of you are familiar with the ring magnets. Ring magnets are very strong magnets. If I just put them here, ring magnets, you see it is quite strong. I don't need two magnets, but for stability, this is there. If I touch one of the ball, both of them are attracted. That means these are magnetic substance made of iron, but in such a way that when it is not attached to a magnet, they are not magnet. Now what I am doing, I am just placing this magnet over here, and with the smaller one in front, as I have already shown you that when the smaller one will be moving, since the bigger one tries to move faster, it pushes the smaller one. So when I release it, they go together. Oh my God, what has happened to this? Why it cannot reach the magnet? Magnet must be attracting. And we know for the magnet, when induction takes place, then this is always opposite pole. Opposite pole attract, but they are not attracting. This must be the similar pole which can repel. Some people say that there must be opposite pole, that is why it has stopped. No, it cannot be. The law of physics is always true for everything. Then what is really happening? Let us see. If I just pull it, you see, now the small ball is not rotating. The small ball, when it is very near to this, the small ball is not rotating or rolling. But after a distance, it starts rolling. That means when I am allowing it to fall from here, these balls are actually rolling. See, as it comes near the magnet, it becomes induced. Then both of them are attached together. Because you see, when there is a rolling, this ball is rolling in this direction and this ball is on this surface is rolling in this direction. That is in opposite direction. So as soon as it comes very near to the magnet, they stop because they have strongly attached to each other. So now they have to slide down. That means so long there is a friction which is called rolling friction. Now it is a static friction. So instead of rolling friction, when it becomes static friction, this is a single body. So it will start to move together, and that is why it stops. So this is a very simple experiment, but it's amazing in the sense that you will think many things, that there is opposite pole or there is electromagnetic induction. Those who are in 11, 12 class, they do it. But this experiment is simply an experiment to show that the sliding friction is much more than the rolling friction.